Today, we're taking a deep dive into 10 interior design trends that are starting to date your home in 2025. Welcome back to Built by Becker. I'm Blake Becker. As contractors, we see firsthand how design choices impact not only the look of your home, but its long-term functionality and durability. Whether you're in the middle of a renovation or planning future upgrades, knowing which trends to update can make all the difference. So, if you enjoy practical, lasting design solutions, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump in. Trend number 1, kitchen countertops and layout. Let's kick things off in the kitchen. Double height or multi-tiered countertops were once a bold statement. However, our experience shows that these segmented surfaces can create visual breaks and make the space feel disjointed. Instead, we are moving toward single-level, counter-height, continuous countertops that deliver a seamless open layout. We recommend opting for honed or matte finished stone. These choices mask everyday wear while providing a natural, timeless appeal. In our builds, a smooth countertop line enhances both aesthetic and functionality, making your kitchen feel more inviting and easier to maintain. Trend number 2, high gloss finishes. Next up, high gloss. Whether it's cabinets, hardwood, or even countertops, that ultra reflective finish may initially seem modern, but it tends to reveal every imperfection and scratches over time. In our projects, we've shifted towards low sheen textured finishes that offer durability and an organic, enduring look. These surfaces not only hide everyday wear, but also create a more relaxed, lived-in feel that stands the test of time. When you choose a less reflective finish, you're investing in a style that won't require constant touch-ups to look its best. Trend number 3, sliding barn doors. The sliding barn doors have been a popular space saver for years, especially in homes embracing the farmhouse aesthetic. But the hardware and the overall style of a traditional barn door can make a space feel stuck in another era. Today, we're seeing a trend toward more refined door solutions. Think pocket doors or modern barn doors with concealed hardware. These alternatives deliver the same space efficiency without compromising on a sleek contemporary look. In our renovations, updating the door system can completely transform a room's character while still meeting practical needs. Trend number 4, accent walls versus unified treatments. Accent walls once allowed homeowners to inject a pop of color or pattern into a room, but today's design wisdom favors a more integrated approach. Instead of isolating one wall, consider a full room treatment. Extending your chosen color, wallpaper, or texture across all of the walls creates a cohesive, fluid space that looks modern and intentional. This approach not only makes the room feel larger, but also simplifies future updates. In our experience, a unified wall treatment can dramatically enhance the overall design while reducing the risk of an overdone look. Trend number 5, overused greenery. Now, we see this time and time again. Once our build is done, the furniture and the decorative start coming in, and it's one plant after another. So now you become so ambiguous that the risk of dating your interior by using real or faux plants. These trees can often make a space look generic or overdone. We suggest diversifying your interior greenery by incorporating a mix of smaller potted plants or succulents. These alternatives provide a fresh, modern vibe and can be arranged more creatively to complement your overall design without overwhelming the space. Trend number 6, glass top dining tables. Moving right into the dining area, let's talk about these glass top tables. While they can initially offer a sleek, modern look. Over time, they tend to trend to show scratches, fingerprints, signs of wear, making maintenance a constant challenge. Our recommendation is to invest in solid surface dining tables that offer both durability and a timeless style. A robust table with a quality base not only stands up better to daily use, but also maintains its aesthetic appeal for years to come. We find that well-crafted, solid table integrates more naturally with a variety of design elements. Trend number 7, the Overdone BOHO Style. The boho look, with its mix of eclectic textiles, hanging plants, and vibrant colors, once dominated many interiors. However, overly bohemian approach can sometimes feel cluttered and has lack of timeless balance that modern homeowners really seek. Instead, consider integrating some boho elements, like a statement piece or a unique textile, into a more classic, streamlined design. By blending a few well-chosen boho accents with neutral, durable materials, you can create a space that feels warm, inviting, and distinctly current without overwhelming your overall design. Trend number 8, subway tile with high contrast grout. Subway tile is a classic, but the traditional look of white tile paired with dark contrast grout is showing its age. To update this look, opt for tiles in softer hues paired with low contrast grout. This creates a more seamless, modern appearance that can be applied to backsplashes, bathroom walls, or even kitchen surfaces. In our renovations, we've seen that subtle changes in tile installation can elevate the entire space, giving it a fresh, contemporary vibe without sacrificing enduring charm of subway tile. Trend number 9, stark black and white interiors. Finally, let's address the monochrome interiors. While black and white palette can be clean and minimal, when taken to the extreme, it can feel cold and impersonal. In today's market, homeowners prefer spaces that exude warmth and personality. We advise softening stark contrasts by inducing warm accents like neutral wood, textured fabrics, and layered lighting. This approach transforms a sterile space into one that's inviting and balanced. The goal is to maintain a minimalistic aesthetic while ensuring that your home feels comfortable and lived in. Now, I know I said 10, but I only had 9. Hope that hook kept you watching. Here's our conclusion. That wraps up our contractor's take on outdated trends for 2025. At Built by Becker, we're all about combining smart design with lasting functionality. If you found these insights helpful and want more practical renovation advice, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.